Would you like to learn how to promote Digistore24 products? If you answered yes, then you've come to the right video. Today, you will learn exactly how to do this step by step so you can start generating commissions just like this. And what's also cool is you don't need a massive ad budget because I will show you how to get started with free traffic. But you're also going to learn what not to do. So this way you could avoid making the same mistakes that I made myself. But please keep in mind, results are not guaranteed. This does require actual work, so make sure you watch closely and follow every step. Remember this, nothing works unless you do. So the very first thing that you're going to want to do, if you haven't already done this, is you'll want to head on over to Digistore24.com. You're going to want to go ahead and set up a free account. To do this, you just want to go over and click on the button right here that says Start Now. It's free to sign up. When you click on this button, it's going to take you over to the page where you can, of course, get signed up. It's free to do. You just, fill in the basic information. Make sure to select the affiliate option if you just plan to promote products. Fill in your username that you want to have, and then just fill in the basic information. Once you, of course, fill all that out and click on register for free, it'll have you go over to your email inbox, and then, of course, confirm your email address or, whatever it is that they'll have you do. Just follow the steps, get your account set up, and then once you do that, then you can decide to log into your account, which in this case, I'm actually going to do right now. Once you get logged in to your Digistore24 account, the first thing that you'll want to do before you start marketing anything on this platform is you're going to want to go to the top up here that says account. And it's going to bring up a bunch of different options that they have on here. So the option that you're going to want to look for in particular is this option here that says payout account. When you click on that, it's going to have you fill out some basic information in terms of how you want to get paid out. So they have, I believe, 3 options. There's direct deposit, there is wire transfer, and then there's also PayPal. So if you like getting paid through PayPal, that's another cool bonus that Digistore has, but you of course want to fill out. And actually, before I go on any further, in case you're about to ask in the comments, this is available worldwide. So anywhere you are in the world, you could sign up to Digistore24.com and you could start marketing their products. So I don't want to see anyone in the comments asking, does this work in Nepal? Does this work in Nigeria? Does this work in India? Because this is available. It should be available worldwide, at least to my knowledge. But once you get your account set up, you have your payout method that you, of course, want to get paid out with. Then you could start marketing any of the products on this platform right here. So the nice thing about Digistore24.com is they've got tons of different products in various different niches, as you can see here. So for example, if you're interested in, let's say, for example, fitness and health, right? That's a niche you can go into. There's green products, there's handcraft stuff, there's photography, there's services, there's social media. There's a whole bunch of different types of products you can market on this platform. They even have some, events, services, physical products, but in this case, their main focus is with digital products. So it's a lot of things like training programs, it's educational platforms, it is like software services, all that type of stuff. And the benefit with promoting digital products is that the commission rates tend to be much higher. So what you'll first want to do is you'll want to select the niche that you want to go into. In my case, I like the internet marketing and e-business niche a lot right here. But once you, of course, pick your niche, then you can decide to look at the different products that are available. So for example, we've got Overnight Millionaire. This will pay out a commission of 92% commission. That's a $44 commission. That's from one single sale. We've got HSV Eraser. We've got Done For You Services Affiliate Marketing System, which in this case, that would pay out a 50% commission. For one single sale, you get up to $643 with this one product right here. So again, pretty good earning potential with that one. We've got a whole bunch of other ones, but what you want to do is you want to find something that you, of course, are thinking about promoting. So for example, if you want to promote this Done For You Services Affiliate Marketing System, the first thing that you'll want to do is you'll want to check out the sales page. So if we click on that right here, this will bring up the page where you can, of course, learn more about what it's all about. So in this case, #1 affiliate reveals how to make 500 plus per day online with this 2-step system, even if you have 0 experience. So this goes over exactly what it's all about. It shows they've even got some results here, which is pretty cool. And then if you want, you could check out their free training. And what I personally recommend is that if you're going to be marketing anything off Digistore24 or any product in general, I always recommend that you promote with moral authority. So make sure that whatever it is that you decide to promote, make sure that it's of good quality. Make sure that it's something that you feel could actually help people. Don't just market anything and everything, because there's a lot of bad products in the affiliate space, and what I feel gives the industry a bad name is there's a lot of people promoting just a bunch of just garbage, just junk, hoping to make money very quickly. And again, you want to really think about the people that are actually going to be buying it. So people who of course buy whatever product that you recommend, they are actual people. So you want to think in terms of, okay, if I'm going to market something like this, for example, is it something that you feel could truly help people? If you feel that it can, then it's definitely something that you could of course decide to promote. But what I recommend is go through the product yourself, go through the sales page. If you have the money for it, I recommend buying the product, so this way you could really go through it yourself. You could see if it's good quality or not, and then if you feel that it could help people, then you could decide to market that product. So once you find something that you want to promote, you could decide to get your own affiliate link, which in this case would be this link right here where it says your promo link. So when you click on this right here, it'll just give you your own affiliate link, and then anytime someone goes through this link and they buy that product, you would of course get paid that commission. So see how in the top here it has my own username, so it has my Digistore name right there. That's how I of course know that it is my affiliate link right there. So that's what you of course want to do. And anytime someone goes to that product, they buy it, then you of course get paid that commission. In this case, it's a $600 commission that you're getting from one single sale. So the question is, how exactly do you go about promoting products in Digistore24? Because you could have the absolute best product in the world, you could have the absolute best training, the best software, the best whatever it is that you want to promote, but the question is, how do you get people to actually go through your link and buy the product yourself? So this sounds simple enough, but for a lot of people it is a big challenge. So I want to first start off by showing you exactly what not to do. So this is what a lot of people tend to do once they have something that they want to promote. What they do is they go over to Facebook, they join a bunch of groups like these, these work from home, make money online business, affiliate marketing type of groups, and then they just go in there and they just spam their opportunity. Check this out, for example. Online business, do it in Facebook, 2 to 3 hours, earn $25 to $100 each, free training and guidance, ask me how. So this guy that we don't really know who he is, he's just pitching his, whatever opportunity it is that he has. And the problem is, you don't really know who exactly this person is. So this person could just be there, marketing just some random junk that he's never actually bought himself. He didn't actually go through, and he's just hoping that, someone will actually go through it, they'll buy the product, and he'll of course get paid that commission right there. And if we look in the comments, oftentimes you'll find a lot of other people, just spamming their links, hoping and praying that someone will buy their product and they'll get that commission. But this is not what you want to do, because people generally don't buy things like this. If you're just spamming links, like in this case, a lot of people in these groups are, or even like on my YouTube channel, I've got a ton of people who, they spam my comment section quite often. Like in my previous Digistore videos that I did, I've got, some faceless accounts just spamming links, hoping that, someone will click on it and buy their product. But, again, when you spam links, not only does it get put to the spam folder, but people just don't, they don't trust you because they don't really know who you are. You're not leading with anything of value up front, and it's just not a good way to really go about, marketing online. So if you go about, it this way, I can guarantee you're not going to make any money. You're going to struggle. You're not really going to get the results that you want. So you want to focus on getting in front of the right targeted people and actually focus on building up an audience and getting people to know, like, and trust you. So when it comes to promoting products the right way, the very first thing that you could do is you could do paid advertising. Now, this personally is not what I'm currently focusing on right now, but what you could do is you could head over to a site like Udemy, and you could do something like a solo ad. Now, a solo ad is where you get in front of someone who has a large email list of people who are interested in a specific niche. So when it comes to solo ads, for example, a lot of these email lists are primarily in the the make money online business opportunity niche. So if you have something in that specific niche that you want to promote, what you could decide to do is you could go over to any of these names right here, and then you could decide to rent out their email list, and you could pay them a specific amount to get your product that you want to promote. So you could buy anywhere from 100 clicks all the way up to in this case 1,000 clicks. And of course, the more clicks you buy, of course, as you can see, the price goes up there. So for example, for $225 you get 375 clicks over to your link. And what's also great about this is these clicks are usually delivered within 24 to 48 hours. So it's pretty fast traffic that you're getting. And then here you'd of course put in your link that you want to promote. They usually do take care of the copywriting for you. So they write an email to their list because they know exactly what their list is interested in. So this is one thing you could do. Another thing you could do is you could do something known as influencer traffic. So you can go to a site like Upfluencecom, and what's really great about this site is that they've got tons of different influencers that you could find on Upfluence in various different platforms. So you've got Instagram, you've got YouTube, you've got Facebook, Twitch, Twitter, Pinterest, TikTok even, which I guess that's blowing up quite a lot. And they've even got bloggers. So what you could do is you could pay them a specific amount to either give you like a shout out on Instagram. You could pay someone on YouTube to create a video and promote your product that you have. And if they feel that it's a good fit for their audience, then you could of course pay them. They can get your message out there, and then you can get in front of their targeted audience. So this works regardless of what niche that you're going into. So for example, if you have a product in let's say for example the the fitness and health niche, right? So if you find something in the fitness and health and you want to promote that, then you can go to a site like Upfluence.com and you could pay one of these influencers on Instagram, for example, someone who has a following in the health niche, and you could pay them to put out a message for you, and you could have it to where their audience, they see the offer that you want to promote, and if they if they're interested, they could check out the product. If they buy it, you of course get paid that commission. So this is the first thing that you could do, is you could leverage paid traffic. You can get in front of an audience very quickly, and the benefit is this is very fast traffic. Both solo ads and influencers, this is some of the fastest traffic that you can get, very targeted, very quick, usually within 24 hours. But the downside is that if you're just getting started, if you don't have a massive budget, this may not be the best option to of course consider starting with. So what I recommend you do is you focus on organic traffic. And one thing that you could do, and I feel this is one of the best ways to of course get started, is with doing product reviews. So you can go to youtube.com and you could decide to create video reviews for the product that you want to promote. So again, for example, let's say that you want to promote Done For You Services affiliate marketing system, right? You search that up into YouTube, and this, just to give you an example, there are tons of people giving reviews for this exact product. So what you could do is you could look at these videos, you could learn exactly how they're doing it. In most cases, it's videos where they are just showing their computer screen, pretty much going through the exact product, pretty much talking about what it's all about, the pros and cons, pretty much giving all the main details. And then at the end of the video, they give a call to action where if someone decides to check it out, in this case, they have like a webinar down there where they could of course check it out. Then, that YouTuber of course gets paid that commission. So what's really nice about this is even if you're someone who, even if you don't have a massive, following, even if you don't have a lot of people who watch your video, what's really nice about doing product reviews is this is one of the easiest ways to get in front of buyers very quickly. Because think about it like this, right? Someone goes on YouTube, they search up product name plus review, they are very likely in that buying mode. So when someone searches up this done for you thing, system review, they want to know, okay, is this thing actually worth it? Can I get sales with this? Can this actually help me? Can this help me get the results that I want? And if they find a video, like in this case, you could have a video up there, even if it's a video that has, even if you get maybe like 100 or 200 people to click, you don't need that many views to, of course, get sales with this, because you're getting in front of people who are interested in perhaps buying that product. So even if just one person, watches your video and they decide to buy that product, in this case with this product, with the Done For You product, it pays out a commission of $643 for one single sale. So imagine, there's a bunch of people on YouTube who are getting views of like, okay, 500 views, 1,000 views, 2,000 views. Imagine even if just 5 to 10 people bought this product that they're recommending, right? They're getting paid like $600 per single sale that they're getting with this exact product. And if you want to do video reviews, one thing that you could do is you could use a tool like Screencast-O-Matics, and this is actually what I'm using myself to record a lot of these videos from on the computer. Otherwise, if you don't feel comfortable doing videos, if you don't feel comfortable getting on camera and talking, then what you could do is you could even do blogging. You could set up your own website and you can get articles ranked in the search engine. Otherwise, you could even use a site like medium.com and you could focus on putting up written reviews about the product. So this is one thing that you could do. But what I also recommend that you do is, as you're doing this, I highly, 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 highly recommend that if you're just getting started and if you want to really have long-term success with anything that you want to promote, whether it's products on Digistore24 or any other site, I highly recommend that you really focus on building up an audience organically, because by doing this, by, you know, leveraging a platform like YouTube or, you know, Medium.com or even like Facebook, what you could do is you could build up an audience organically of people that know, like, and trust you. And then if they are, you know, targeted, if they're interested in what you have to, you know, promote, then you could pretty much tap into that audience at any point. So this is what I feel a lot of people who are trying to get their results are missing. You know, if people, you know, if you are, you know, struggling to get results consistently, chances are you aren't really focusing on building up an audience. And this is what I really highly recommend that you focus on in the long term, because think about it like this, right? If you use a platform like YouTube, for example, if you really focus on putting up consistent, you know, quality content, of course, in that specific niche, then you could have a library of videos that pretty much do all the selling and telling for you. So imagine this for a minute. Imagine having a library of videos that you put up. You put in lots of work, you know, initially up front. You put up, you know, maybe like 10, 20, 100 videos, and these are all videos that you put in the work, you created one time, and these are videos that are on the platform, you know, 24/7. So anytime someone watches one of your videos and they get lots of value, they check out whatever it is that you recommend, that is commissions that you're getting on complete autopilot. So this is one of the best ways to start, is by really focusing on building up an audience organically, because it doesn't cost you anything. You don't have to invest money when it comes to creating videos or writing articles. You could build up an audience just by, you know, putting up consistent content. And as long as you're doing this consistently, then this is one of the best ways to really get those long-term results online. So if you want to learn how to actually do this step by step, if you want to learn how to actually build up an audience, if you want to learn how to actually get long-term results with anything that you want to promote, then you could check out the first link down below, which is this link right here that says Get the Traffic Secrets book for free here. This is a free book that you could actually pick up that will show you how to leverage organic traffic strategies and actually build up an audience. And the really nice thing about this book is you could actually get it for free. Of course, you know, you do have to pay for shipping for that, you know, but other than that, the book is completely free. And the nice thing about this book is it really focuses on helping you build up an audience organically. So if this is something you want to learn how to do, if you want to learn how to build up an audience, people that know, like, and trust you, that are interested in what you have to offer, then I highly recommend checking out this book for yourself. I even did a review of this. If you want to, of course, check that out. I'll be sure to include a link up top here. But if you want to check out this, you could, of course, check that out. It's completely free. And otherwise, if you want to learn how to, let's say, use YouTube, for example, like let's say that you want to learn how to build a profitable YouTube channel, and you want to learn how to have a library of videos that do all the selling and telling for you. There's also a link down here that says Grow a Profitable YouTube Channel Without Showing Your Face. So when you click on this link, this is going to take you over to this page right here that shows you how to make a full-time passive income on YouTube without filming yourself. So that's pretty much what this training goes over there. But anyways, hope you got lots of value in this video. If you did, be sure to let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Give this a thumbs up if you found this helpful. And anyways, take care.